everybody, welcome to my very first ever series of videos. The reason I decided to do these video series is because every day I get asked, what is the first step in buying a house? And throughout the process with many of my clients, I've found that the things that I just know because I've done it so often, they often don't know. I think they're super basic, but it's only because I do this all the time. So lots of things to know that people don't instinctively know, and I just wanted to put it all together in a little video series, super quick videos, so that you can take a look at whichever step you're interested in and find out what's next or how you go about it. So enjoy this series. There's going to be one on how to buy a house and another on how to sell a house, and we'll see what happens after that if I'll do some more.